How are you mga katami? Today, we're going to prepare sizzling hot kimchi. If you're not yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and bell button so you're always get updated with my new uploaded videos. The following are our ingredients. We have the Napa Cabbage, carrots, onion leaves, radish, fish sauce, sugar, ginger, garlic, onion, Gochugaru chili powder, glutinous rice. Exact measurement will be at the description box. We will start by separating the leaves of the Napa Cabbage. Cut the core and discard it. Alisin mo yung mga hindi mo na kailangan. Itapon mo na. Cut the Napa Cabbage according to the size that you desire. It can be 1 inch or 2 inches. Yung laki, depende sa'yo. Tandaan mo, hindi ka margin, kaya huwag kang adjust ng adjust para sa kanya. Next is to wash the cabbage. It is better to wash the cabbage because the salt can be absorbed thoroughly when the cabbage are wet. Dapat talaga binabasa siya para kumapit ng husto yung asin. Asin! Asin, men, ang kakapit ha. Huwag mag-isip ng kung ano-ano. Oh no! After washing the cabbage, drain the water and transfer it to another bowl. Then add about 1/2 cup of salt. Make sure that the bottom part can be salted. And then after this, set this one aside for a few minutes. Next, we will start to peel off the radish and as well as chop them. In Tagalog, labanos. Ang labanos na para sa mga tulad mo, nagmahal ng lubos, pero binaliwala niya. Iniintindi, kahit wala nang maintindihan. Mananatili, kahit hindi pinili. Radishes are a good source of vitamin C, folate, and riboflavin or vitamin B2. They contain minerals that helps to regulate blood pressure and manganese that involve in the regulation of brain and nerve function. Now let's start to peel off the carrot. Sabi nila ang carrot ay hindi lang pampalinaw ng mata, pampawala din ito ng kirot. Kirot ng ano? Hindi ko rin alam eh. Bahala na kayo mag-isip. Slice the carrots like a stick-like shape. So, pahaba po yung gayat natin ng carrots. Sumunod naman, ay gayatin natin ang onion leaves. Next is to slice the onion leaves. Next, let's slice the onion. Here, I'll be only using half of the onion and then the other half, I will just set it aside. Because the onion is big, I don't need too much, but it depends upon you. Ano kaya nararamdaman ng kalahating sibuyas? Ramdam kaya niyang isinantabi na siya? Sa buhay, masasaktan talaga tayo. Minsan, isasantabi. Pero kahit ganun, piliin mo pa rin magmahal. At sa taong worth it sa lahat ng sakit. Now I will start to chop ginger. I will only use a small portion of this ginger, about 1 tablespoon of ginger. Then I'm starting to peel off the garlic. Garlic has high nutritional content for its size, with significant amount of vitamin C, selenium, manganese, and iron. There is some evidence that consuming garlic strengthens the immune system and reduce risk for cancer and improve our health. Sabi nila, ang puso ay parang bawang. Buo talaga. Pero, pilit lang na dinudurog ng iba. Kaya ngayon, durugin na natin yung bawang. Now, let's chop the garlic into small pieces. Then, let's add the ginger. Add the chopped onion. Better if you have electric mincer or chopper, because the one that I'm using is only manual chopper. Add the onion leaves. Nakaka-LL ka naman, bilhin mo na yung electric mincer. Siguro ako later, bibili din ako nun. Then let's add the fish sauce. After soaking the cabbage for around 30 to 40 minutes in salt, we will then wash the cabbage in running water approximately around 3 times to make sure that there will be no left salt at the cabbage. Make sure na malinis ang ating repolyo, pero huwag niyong masyadong bugbugin. Handle it with care. Let's test if the cabbage is already crispy. I guess it is. In about 2 cups of water, we will then add 1 cup of glutinous rice. You can also use flour if you don't have glutinous rice. I decided to add another half of the glutinous rice. Mix it well with the water. Once you saw bubble, add the mixture, add sugar, and then mix it again. Tapos, haluin mo lang ng haluin hanggang sa makuha natin ang desired na consistency. Ang lakas! Kumuha ka ng hangin habang hinahalo mo siya. Kasi, love is in the air daw. Pero ako, halos sinigop ko na lahat ng hangin nito. Pero hanggang ngayon, di pa rin niya ako mahal. After around approximately 7 minutes, let the mixture cool down and put it at the bowl. We can now start adding the Gochugaru chili powder. I have added only 1 cup of Gochugaru chili powder, but it depends upon you. If you want a little spicy, then you can add more. Decided to add GochuJang red pepper paste, but this is only optional. Then let's add the cabbage and the other vegetables, carrots and radish. Then mix it. Let's also add the minced ingredients, the garlic, onion, and ginger. Mix the vegetable well. Tandaan mo, gulay lang ang paghahaluin mo, hindi ang pagmamahal mo. When it's ready, you can transfer it to a closed container, depending on you, on what container you will choose. Fermentation process is really good in about 1 to 2 weeks. And now we're finished with our spicy kimchi. Ang kimchi na hinding-hindi mo makakalimutan dahil sa sobrang anghang. Kasing anghang ng pagmamahal ko. Charot! Oh, no! Thank you very much for joining and watching. I hope to see you again on my next videos. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. I just want to give credit to the logo and cover made by Choice Vlog.